That's the view from the circular hotel, which is right. You know, it's very nice. Well, no, it wasn't very nice. It it was okay. I think a lesson in they've gone for the looks rather than probably some of the other stuff. But anyway, I can't complain really, can I? Hey. Yes, JCB's gone swimming. So, as you can tell from my steady camera work, we're into another bit of road that gets a bit rough. But not to worry, Dan the man is at the wheel. Yeah. You know it's rough when the taxi driver slows down.
The taxi driver.
Yeah.
The driver is slowing down bad potholes.
Yeah, it's good though. It's good. It's like an early warning system. Then you know something bad is coming when he slows down.
Yeah.
So here we are on a very narrow road, very single track road, and Norbert had a look on Google Maps. Apparently it doesn't exist. We've come to the end of the world here in Uganda.
Looking at Rivambuse, we are looking for Rivambuse.
Rivambuse.
Yeah, Rivambuse. Exactly.
Yeah. Hopefully we're going to go kind of through a foresty bit at some point and Lake Albert. And this gentleman is just clearing the road for us. Might be a little bit, he knows what he's doing. Hello. So, if it gets any more narrow, we have to go up on two wheels.
This road, if we are to come at night, we are going to get lost.
The thing is down there.
It's down there.
Rivambuse, just saying Rivambuse.
That's a crossing. The map is showing me, no? It's the district.
No, the people.
Yeah, I think it must be the people.
Yeah. There's even a school here.
They've got schools everywhere.
Very many schools.
Let us get lost a little bit.
We can. Here? We can't get lost this up here quickly. We cannot.
It means forcing your way where
We force your way.
Yeah. Expected to find a river here.
Where there is a dam.
Well, we've had a slight detour, and so we're turning around now. This should be fun. I think it's 4-wheel time. So here's an interesting part of the journey. It's not me drunk holding the camera, it's just the road. It needs a bit of four-wheel power. But Dan's in control, even if I'm not in control of the camera. Oop. We went for a little sightseeing detour there, but we're back on track. Ish.
Because here the car cannot pass on the bridge. So we have to go back.
So turn around again.
Yeah, we have
Yadaka
to turn
Center.
Yeah.
The other center where we pass the other side.
Rugashar.
Yeah, that's Gellor. That's
You're going back to Rugashar, yeah?
Yeah, we can turn here.
Yeah.
We can turn
This is very,
here.
very terrible.
If it means removing these stones, we remove
Yeah, because there shall be no better place for turning.
So it's getting interesting. We just had a bit of fun turning around, but I don't think the car will fit. So we have to turn around again. Oh, there we go. You wouldn't want to do this in an ordinary car. Put it that way. Don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry. Be happy. We're gonna reach. We're gonna reach.
With a bit of luck, we won't have to get out and move the stones. I have faith in Dan's ability to manoeuvre this beast of a vehicle around. Look at that, eh? Dan's the man. Dan's the man. Thank you.
You have.
This is the former bridge.
Then the location changed here.
So this is the edge of the settlement, did you say?
What? It's one. It's up.
Up there.
Up there.
This roadblock here.
Nzita. Ndeja kumere.
You have reached the camp, eh?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet.
This is now the settlement.
Twakakoma wo. Guy.
This road now is very nice. It's the best.
Now the base.
Yeah, this one.
It's
The
nice.
road now.
We are entering now.
We're entering the edge of the area of the camp.
Yeah.
The camp is a little way to go yet, I think.
This road is very nice. It's up to almost this camp.
So we've. Oh, hang on.
Now we are.
So we're just coming to the area. Oh, slight hiccup there. Yeah, slight hiccup.
Very strong.
So we've just come into the edge of refugee settlement, and we're probably about 30 kilometres away from the base camp. Yeah, so big scale. It's a bit like the area from Naka Valley. I don't know.
I don't know really.
But
You know? No? It's big though. It's big.
We don't have the figures.
there's
Yeah.
not this guy.
I'll check that out
Slow
later.
down,
But anyway, it's
slow
big.
down. Onama.
It's been a bit of an adventure getting in this far. I'll lean this way. So, after an interesting journey, we arrived to meet a whole new bunch of new friends here. So,
You're welcome to Nambwari. My name is Bernard. I'm the area coordinator for ARC. You're welcome.
good. It was an interesting journey. We got a little bit lost, but for me it was interesting anyway.
Yeah,
I
I
got to
guess
see a
you.
bit more of Uganda.
Yeah.
I think he did it on purpose for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dan the man. Yeah, I'm hoping we do a little video. I'm trying to do a bit of video wherever I go. So here we are. Very nice building. This will be, these two end rooms here that I'm going to walk into will be the home for the radio station, which we'll start working on tomorrow. We'll unload and put in one of the rooms, but this is a little room in here, which here we've got the before, and the other larger room, very nice, double doors going through. Perhaps we'll make into a studio, and we're either have the mast out the back or maybe out the front, I'm not sure yet, we'll have to work out all about that. But anyway, so here's the before and the after, what will be the radio station at Chingwai. So there you go. Here's part of the
This one is already.
here's part of the team, Mr. Norba, experienced mast builder, African mast builder, use of eucalyptus, aluminium and steel.
Local materials.
You wouldn't get
real
this
local
anywhere
materials.
else. Unique in the history
Real
of
local
mast building.
materials.
Yeah.
It's quite unique for Africa.
So And Mighty Man is with us.
You guys, you
He's
only
good.
know how to use the metallic.
Yeah.
But for us,
we have
can
it
use
easy in the
anyone,
West.
Still, the height will achieve.
We may start a trend because it's like recycling, isn't it? To have a wooden mast.
Quite interesting.
Yeah. So, and this is our front garden. Very nice. So there's all kinds of potential for developing the radio station once they've got it up and running. And these two guys, they're going to be a main part of it, I know.
Yeah. And Bless is the main man.
Yeah. So
He loves,
he's going to be.
very
He's going to be. Well, no, he's not going to be Mighty Man. He's going to be his own man. But yeah, you're going to be the studio man here. That's good.
In Potato is very, very cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap. That's true.
Very cheap.
Yeah, really cheap.
So here we are, sitting around the table, having a cold one, waiting for our food to come, and then we're going to go off to the lake. He's a lovely boy, but the only problem is he's just look at that. Blimey, look at that.
Oh, what is his only problem?
Get rid of that badge. Get rid of that badge.
The Red Devil.
Yeah. There you go. We've gone through a few options. We think we've got plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D ready for the mast. We'll probably be implementing plan E about Wednesday. No, I'm joking. I'm positive we'll do stuff. But anyway, we're going to go up to the Lake Albert. Yeah. There you go. More to follow. Bye bye.